Hi all. In this video, we are going to see how you can create iceberg table from Snowflake. That means Snowflake is going to maintain and have write access to the storage. It will maintain the data and metadata files in the storage itself. In this case, we have used Azure Blob for a storage purpose, and here I am creating the volume for that. That means it has a write access and contribute to access on Azure storage for maintaining this iceberg table. So here I have created the volume, and I need to describe this volume to get the apps created inside Azure Enter ID, right? So enter enterprise applications. If you see, go to Snowflake, copy this description, and you will be able to get the application name and also the URL that you have traversed to in order to create the so this is the URL you need to create. You need to take it and browse through in your browser where it will lead you to go to your Azure account and get a consent from you to create the application inside. And after that, you need to go to your storage account, go to IAM, and add the permissions. Like this, go to storage account. This is the storage account where you go to IAM and add the applications permission here. So already I have the permissions added. Let's see what is the application name. So this is my application. The entire thing is not the application name, only this one. And then go here and check whether you have contributed access for storage blob and data reader as well. So once you add them, you are ready to go and create the iceberg. So here I have not selected created the table with the manual schema. Here I am creating iceberg table for the existing table. So I have used select star from for create the iceberg table. That means the scheme that this table has is what this table has is going to be the schema for this iceberg table. Also, this table has 1 million records. That's around 3.5 gig of data. So once I do that, completed successfully 47 seconds, and then I'm trying trying querying in two tables, right? One I have the iceberg table, and another one I have a normal table. So I did see few so a small slight difference for fetching up the same amount of rows 419693. The iceberg table took 6.7 seconds, and our local managed Snowflake managed table took 6.2 seconds. But explanation for that, my Snowflake is running in East US region, and the storage that I have created is actually in Pune. So probably that could be a little difference that it cost that is slightly, but it is very fast for that till that bad, right? And also you can see the partition details by fetching them in from the information schema as per table files. Then you will be seeing I have around 224 rows of files, which is all bucket files, and the number of rows in the each file. But now you can see that. So instead of activating, so if you want to refresh an iceberg table, you need to alter the table with refresh. But you don't have to do that. You can create a dynamic iceberg table, which is listening to a dynamic normal table, right? Based on that one, you can actually go and create an iceberg table which is always updated and it's updating the storage as well. Hope this was helpful, and you can create the dynamic iceberg table with dynamic key and the normal lag is there, right? You can refresh the table. You can, it's like very normal dynamic table. So hope it was helpful. Thank you.